Yes, hello, good day mga kain-kain. Dito po tayo sa harap ng De Los Santos Hospital. Yan po yung emergency room. Nakita po niyo po yung dalawang door is the isolation room. At yung makikita mo po, ayan, papasok na po tayo sa hotel lobby. Dito po kami nag-staycation sa sunod-sunod na indulto namin. At oo, nakapag-vlog pa rin ako. Bakit ba? Siyempre. And De Los Santos Medical Center is located in A. Rodriguez, Quezon City, a level 3 tertiary hospital. Napaka-affordable niya po kumpara sa mga nangungunang hospital, pero the quality and the standards, kayang pantayan po yung mga sikat na hospital. That is the operating room. Ayan, tutuwan po kayo habang papunta sa stress test si Daddy Cool. At bibigyan ko na kayo na heads up. Hindi po siya nakapag-review kaya bumagsak siya. Ayan. So, baka magpa-angiogram kami. But it's okay. So, andito sa alley na to, ang mga laboratory like the X-ray, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, at yung food echo, which is in the heart station as well. And even the pharmacy. And meron pang yan, catheterization laboratory unit. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. And we are still here in the main building. Ayan, yung OPD po or outpatient department is on the next building. Pero may patwalk naman from here. Kaya hindi ka may initan or pag umuulan, hindi ka mababasa. Yan po yung inano ko dito dahil napaka-convenient. Ng mga facilities nila. Easy access, hindi ka na mahirapang maglakad. And aside for the prices, napakaganda ng service and the standard. Yung service nila, mapa nurse yan, mapa doctor, intern, staff, yung mga nasa billing, cashier, even guards, maintenance, and patient transporter. Napakabait ng tao, napaka-pleasant and accommodating. And we are here on the 3rd floor area ng nurse station. Usually from 2nd to 4th yan. Ganyan yung setup nila. And makikita nyo doon sa left side may microwave. Hindi ko na napakita. Where you can reheat your food kung mako-confine kayo. And then, ayan, may mineral water dyan. Hindi ako nagdadala ng mineral water dito. Siya kumukuha, minamaximize ko. And ito yung room ni Daddy Cool, a private room that was covered by his HMO. Ayan, pagpasok mo sa right side, may restroom. Andyan, may bidet yan, yaman eh. And shower na naka-hot and cold. And of course, ito yung room, everyday nila nililinis yan. And may cabinets, may dresser. Ayan. And kompleto naman siya. And you can have like 2 to 3 bantays nga for this. Kasi may lazy boy na nabibend yung upuan and then there's a couch. And doon pa yung bed na kakaiba na nangangain ng syunga-syunga. They have TV with cable, ref, and AC. And meron din yung phone. Ayan. And dito kasi, napakaganda ng services and the food is nice, 10 out of 10. Kaya ko ito ginawa, kaya nakapag-vlog pa rin ako kasi I would like to recommend this if you need a hospital.